I have 10 plus amazing things that you're gonna wanna be buying from the Dollar Tree in 2023, plus some bonus items for you here at the end. Look at this amazing shaker bottle for just $1.25. And my friend, we're not just gonna use this for protein shakes. What we're actually gonna use this for is making pancakes and muffins. I've shown this in previous videos. I got this from Amazon. This is great for dispensing your pancake and muffin mix so that you can get the correct amount into the muffin tin and the correct amount onto your pancake cooker. However, this is amazing. All you have to do is pour your pancake mix in there, all the ingredients, everything that you need in here. The nice thing is there's measuring on the side. Shake up your mix like so, and then all you have to do is pour it into your designated container. Genius. Speaking of protein, fitness, and the new year, I do run a fitness channel here on YouTube. I will link in the description box below in case you're interested. Bonus, this is freezer safe and top rack dishwasher safe. A little tip here when you're doing this, put your wet ingredients in the bottom first. That way they will not stick very easily. If you put your dry ingredients first, when you shake, it's gonna take a bit more effort. Wet first, then dry. With cold weather and snow, that means lots of movie nights are happening here in my house. One way to make your movie night and popcorn night a little more fun is with these really cute popcorn bags. 8 came in a pack from the Dollar Tree. The nice thing about this is you do not have to wash anything, especially when it's late at night. You can just go ahead and dispose of this, or you can save it for future use if you like, depending upon how much love those popcorn bags have gotten. This also makes for an excellent gift package idea for a friend if you wanted to do a movie gift card, you wanted to do these popcorn bags, a bag of popcorn, some seasonings. Yes, I love popcorn, but I don't know about you, the kernels always get stuck in my teeth. And if you're in your vehicle, because it's a great snack, you're driving around, you hate having this in your teeth. So I keep a pack of these in my car. I keep them in my purse. I keep them in my bathroom. I keep them everywhere. They work great. I love all things ease and convenience. So when I saw these at the Dollar Tree, I got super excited. 25 foil sheets. The best thing about this is when you're cooking and you have greasy hands, all you have to do is pull one of these out and lay it down rather than having the regular old Reynolds wrap container that you have to open up, you have to slide across, you have to rip, and then you got jagged edges. This is perfect. I have never seen these beautiful iridescent jars before. When I saw these, I had to grab them. This is great for keeping Epsom salt by your bathtub if you want to have a nice luxurious bath. You can put your candy in here. In fact, you can put your tooth pickers in here for your bathroom. The possibilities are endless. I love the beautiful detail on the top. Now, the stickers are annoying. Let me show you a little trick. Goo Gone, this works better and faster than any sticker removal that I've ever used before. You can also use it on clothing. You can buy small bottles from the Dollar Tree, which is awesome. Then grab yourself one of these. This is in the crafting section of the dollar store. Let that sit for a couple minutes. Grab yourself a pair of gloves. I will link my favorite ones in the description box below. And then all you're gonna do is use this to pull up your sticker. The longer you let this sit, the easier it will be to peel up. There we go, my friend. You can see here, I'm having to put a little bit of elbow grease in here, and this is telling you how sticky these stickers are, but easy peasy. I've tried all the home remedies, and those take way longer than some nice Dollar Tree Goo Gone. Now I have a laminator from Amazon for bigger items, and I absolutely love this, but when I found these for easy jobs, 3 pieces in a set, I got very excited. This is great for recipe cards, business cards, and photos. Let me show you how to use it. It comes with some easy instructions, which is really nice. This works amazingly well for those delicious recipe cards that you got. All you're gonna do is open up your self-laminating card. You're gonna put your picture face down. There's this little side pocket right here that you're gonna go ahead and pull out. And you can use a ruler, or you can use, again, this Dollar Tree crafting tool that I just showed you. And then what you're gonna do is, this part is sticky, so what you wanna do is just roll it over as you take off this part. You can see, you wanna get all of those air bubbles out, and then you can use your little tool right here just to ensure that you get more of those air bubbles. In the picture, you'll see that I only have 3 children pictured. My 4-year-old was having nothing to do with Santa. And then if you want, you can just take your scissors and go around the edges to cut it to your desired size. Haha, not my 4-year-old, my 2-year-old. And there we go, not bad for $1.25. Now, tip, when you lay your photo down, make sure it's on the non-sticky side, otherwise you're gonna get streaking like that. I love all the calendars and notepads at the Dollar Tree moving into 2023. What a great way to start your year and get it organized. I love this one here because it has the tear off calendar and it also has the tear off notes. That way you can create your grocery list just right on here throughout your week if you want to. And it's magnetic. Thumbs up if you can relate to this one. You open your dishwasher and, well, clearly that looks dirty, but oftentimes you'll open your dishwasher and you can't tell if they're clean or you're dirty. So you're asking everybody in your house, hey, are those dishes clean or are they dirty? Well, my friend, I have solved that problem for you from the Dollar Tree. I love this, super cute. It says finally clean, or if you just flip it over on the other side, you can see here it has good magnetic ability on here. Dirty again. Never guess anymore whether your dishes are clean or dirty. When I found this reusable gel tape at the Dollar Tree, I was all up in my feelings and so excited. I had previously purchased this from Amazon. It's the Easy Tape, double-sided. It's absolutely amazing. Let me show you how you can use this. Once you get this tape out of the packaging, let me just show you. There's two sides that are sticky. Now, if you want a larger roll, I can link that one from Amazon in the description box below. This is a smaller roll, but it does work. It's very sticky, and all you have to do is peel it off, and you can reuse it. Do you have a rug that always likes to lift up? And yes, this not only works on hardwood, it does not ruin your hardwood. I've had this on for months. This part right here is where I have the sticky gel tape from Amazon, and you can also use this on carpeting, which is awesome. Obviously, you can use the tape to hang things, but what's really nice is I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's a utensil drawer, but I use it for organizing kids' toothbrushes. This would slide around in the back, as you can see there's space. Back here, just stuck a little Easy Tape underneath there, and that thing is in place. I could slam this drawer shut and it will still stay put. Let me show you another little trick with this. My son recently had a birthday and I bought these balloon packages, and let me just show you. They came with these little sticky dots, which is essentially Easy Tape, but I want to show you how you get this off any sort of surface. You can see how it just rolls off like that. I have a little stuck there, rolls on off. Just wiped it down with a washcloth and gone. And in my number one spot are some Dollar Tree baskets. Now, the only reason that I use these ones are for garage toys, but I also like to keep a bin here for donations so that throughout the year I can just fill up the bin, and then when it's ready to go to the donation center, all I have to do is pick up my Dollar Tree basket. Now, these do not hold up the longest. You can see right here, this is already chipped, but it does what it needs to. These ones here are a bit better quality. I love that it has the handles on them, but this is great for just the top of a closet. If you want to organize something, I'm keeping these here in my daughter's room for extra clothes, extra toys, travel related essentials. If you have stairs and need a bin for items that need to go upstairs, that's a great housing department for them. And a few bonus tips here for you. Nothing like starting the new year with writing down your goals and intentions and starting a journaling process. I love the notebooks and journals from the Dollar Tree. I particularly like this one because it has this nice elastic to keep everything together like so. I was impressed with this. This was in the $+ $3 section of the Dollar Tree, but this is great for my kids. This is great for me. An excellent sturdy hardcover sketchbook. I was so impressed with this beautiful over-the-door hook organizational item for just $5. I tend to lay out my 2-year-old's clothes the night before. That way it makes the morning time much easier. And then I just put them right here, but she often gets into them and tears it apart. So now I can go ahead and use this. That looks so stinking cute. You can also use this for bags, you can use this for robes, and you can see here when I shut the door, it does not get stuck. This Pummel spray is one of my newest favorites from the Dollar Tree. Rather than spending a lot of money on the Dawn Power Wash, which is great, but it gets a little bit pricey. It's nice to be able to spray your dishes down if you want to hand wash them or clean out your sink, rather than also having to deal with a jug like this and then squirting it out. This is much more economical for just $1.25, and it has a really nice smell to it. And because I'm obsessed with all things cleaning, if you have not tried this bathroom cleaner from the Dollar Tree, you absolutely need to. Cleans without scrubbing. That's amazing. But I like to use this all around my bathroom. It has a very nice smell to it. I also like to use it inside of the toilet. Here's another bonus for when you use this. These little holes up in your toilet, this might be a little bit nasty. Oh gosh, can you see them? Sometimes get clogged. But what's nice about this foam is that you can spray up in there. Yes, cleaning everything, every nook and cranny that you could possibly want in your home. And a bonus cleaning tip here for you to go along with the bonus items. If you have a smelly bathroom, you've done everything, you've cleaned everything, chances are there's water stuck down in here in this overflow reservoir that is causing some smell. This is great to spray down in there. You can see it creates the foam. Let it sit, let it dissolve, spray a little bit more as needed, and then you can go ahead and rinse a little water down there. That should take care of any bathroom smell. Now, if you love all things kitchen gadgets, click the video on screen now. YouTube thinks you're gonna wanna watch this video. Which will you choose? Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.